You probably know carrots are nutritional powerhouses filled with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins A and C. The health benefits of carrots aren't limited to your diet. However, you can use the juice and pulp of this root vegetable to create natural homemade facial masks that will leave your complexion glowing, help heal pimples and sores, plump up skin cells for a younger appearance, and slow down the signs of aging caused by free radicals and environmental damage. So, let's get started with the first recipe. All we need here is 2 teaspoons carrot juice and 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Mix the juices of carrots and aloe vera and apply regularly to fight the signs of early aging. Vitamin C, found in abundance in carrots, promotes collagen production and smoothens out wrinkles. Now, let's move to the second recipe. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of carrot juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply it with your fingertips on the face and neck. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and wash it off with warm water. These face masks can be applied thrice a week for best results. Carrots are a powerhouse of antioxidants which keep most of the skin problems and diseases at bay. Welcome this magical vegetable in your skincare routine and say hello to a new, beautiful you. However, don't forget to also consume it through your diet to fully reap all its benefits. Enjoy happy and healthy skin days ahead. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.